My name is Brock Balknight.
My name is Stephen Dyer.
My name is Rosalind Weston.
Faith is trusting, faith is abiding, and faith is eternal. My connection with cancer is my father got pancreatic cancer at age 74 in 2009. My mother and father called my sister and I over to their house and said that they had found cancer on the tail of my dad's pancreas.
I've been a medical oncologist for 9 years. My job, I have to see it as a calling in order to do what I do. My grandfather was a Southern Baptist minister. He preached in over 100 different churches in his lifetime, which was a real point of pride for him. My father then became a minister. He was a worship pastor, a minister of music.
What has gotten me through this journey, I call it my 3 F's, and they are family, friends, and faith.
Faith is often experienced in community, and patients really, really need that community, that support as they go through the cancer journey.
So he was church as a child, but it wasn't until after he was 50 to 55 years old, he immersed himself with a daily spiritual journal, devotional.
Faith also plays a part in just committing to a treatment protocol. They're taking a leap of faith by coming to the cancer center and by submitting to a treatment plan.
How I would find a cancer survivor is one who's strong-willed to live, one who perseveres through the challenging days of chemotherapy, no matter how strong or how long.
You're not going to be able to do this alone. And a faith community, a group of trusted friends, providers, caretakers, those are people you can tap into and help have success and healing, because ultimately you need to have something that's bigger than yourself.
And faith, I can tell you that without it, you are just floundering.
I can remember when he was being wheeled back to surgery, he was totally at peace, he was whatever God's will was. He didn't have any reservations at all.
To cope emotionally with the length and breadth of what we see, we have to feel like there's more than this.
I would not be where I am without faith, because some mornings I wake up and faith is all I have.
Knowing that God's got you, no matter where you go, if you'll learn to listen, love, God's peace will be shown through you to others.